What if humans could suddenly travel through time, not just in our imagination, but for real, past, present, and future wide open before us? It's one of humanity's oldest dreams, but also one of its greatest dangers. Movies like Back to the Future, Avengers, Endgame, and even Hot Tub Time Machine make it look wild, funny, or heroic. But what would really happen if time travel became reality? 1. The idea of time travel. For centuries, humans have fantasized about time machines. Ancient myths, H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, and modern sci-fi all explore it. But time isn't just a ticking clock, it's part of the very fabric of the universe. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space are woven together into what we call space-time. Gravity bends space-time itself. That's why time actually flows differently depending on where you are. Astronauts on the International Space Station age just a little slower than people on Earth. In a way, time travel has already begun. 2. Traveling to the future. This is the part scientists agree on. Traveling into the future is possible. Move close to the speed of light, or near a massive gravitational source like a black hole, and time will slow down for you compared to everyone else. This isn't science fiction. It's been proven with atomic clocks flown on satellites. A traveler who spent a year moving near light speed could return to Earth to find decades, or even centuries, had passed. Think Interstellar, where astronauts orbit a black hole and lose decades back home. That's based on real physics. 3. The mystery of the past. But traveling backward, that's where things get complicated. One theoretical solution is wormholes, tunnels through space-time that might connect different points in space and time. Physicists like Kip Thorne, who advised Interstellar, have shown mathematically that, in theory, wormholes could act like time machines. The problem? They'd collapse instantly unless stabilized by exotic matter with negative energy. Another concept is closed time-like curves, where space-time itself loops back. That's the kind of idea the Avengers relied on in Endgame, hopping into alternate branches of reality. 4. The paradoxes of time travel. But here's the danger. Paradoxes. The grandfather paradox asks, what if you go back and prevent your grandparents from meeting? You'd erase your own existence. But if you don't exist, how did you go back in time at all? Some scientists think paradoxes prove backward travel is impossible. Others suggest the many worlds hypothesis. Every time you change the past, you spin off a new timeline. Kill Hitler in 1940? That creates a new reality while the old one still exists. That's exactly how Avengers Endgame explained it. No paradox, just branching universes. 5. The dangers of time travel. Now imagine if time travel fell into the wrong hands. Governments could rewrite wars, corporations could manipulate stock markets, criminals could erase evidence, or even victims. History would become a weapon. Movies make this look hilarious, like a drunken hot tub trip gone wrong in Hot Tub Time Machine. But in reality, it could collapse society. Nothing would be stable, because anyone with access to a time machine could rewrite it all. 6. Could we ever build a time machine? So is it possible? Forward travel is proven. Backward remains a mystery. To build a real time machine, we'd need control over space-time itself. Wormholes, black holes, or exotic matter. That's way beyond our tech. But think about it. 100 years ago, flying to the moon seemed impossible. If physics doesn't forbid it, maybe the future holds the key. So here's the question. If you had the power to travel through time, would you go back and try to fix history, leap ahead to see humanity's future, or stay safe in the present? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more what-if stories where science meets imagination and sometimes feels stranger than the movies.